Hi guys and synth nerds. We are here at Soundmit in Turin. We are from Enjoy Electronics and this is our reminder. This is a really powerful and innovative multi-effects processor. As I tell before, Reminder is a really powerful and innovative multi-effect processor. Um, its main sections is filter bank, power delay section, reverb section, LFO, and setting section. So in filter section we have a main filter. It can work in low pass or high pass mode in pre or post sound. The second filter on board is a DPD filter. It's dedicated filter on the double pulse position of the delay power section. Resonance is adjustable resonance for both filters. In power delay section, um, we have a big true stereo independent delay. So the left time and right time can work completely separately and independent. We can setting the left time from this knob and right one from this. We can dot our time, and so we can setting the offset too. Double pulse position is a knob that we are able to move the double pulse delay position. Double pulse is a power delay that can add in our main delay position two more line of repetition. So now I put inside just one sound and we can work with feedback in infinite loop. The machine is a hybrid machine from the delay to the looper session. Okay, just right now we are hearing the main delay. This is our offset, so for pump out effect, no? And this is the double pulse repetition. So we can hearing the new sounds inside, okay? We can move the position of this repetition inside the pattern. And so now we can start to filtering this using the dedicated filter on these positions, you know, in low pass or in high pass mode, setting the resonance too. Okay, we have a little mixer section for dry mix volume, for wet mix, or for double pulse. So now it's just double pulse inside, now just the power delay. So for the reverb section, we have a really strong reverb algorithm that can add can setting in amount, in sizing, and we have a third filter on the machine. Is a high pass, high resonance filter dedicated on the reverb sound. So just for effect and something like. Yes. So the LFO section is a strong LFO. You can set the destination from this knob, pressing and turning this knob. You can set the destination. So for example, in DPD is a double pulse delay filter, or double pulse volume, or dry wet, or reverb, or main filter frequencies. You know, you can set the waveform. For waveform is in sync mode, so syncable with the sync MIDI in, and other four is in no sync mode, so we can start to work in Earth from now, you know. The amount is the quantity of amounting modulation we will go to our destination, you know. So starting to make something inside. So okay, go on DPD filter, you can set DPD. So I start modulating. Now we can work in sync mode. Switch in no sync mode and go to work with earth. So So, one of the most important thing in this machine you can find in this machine is the 8 operation mode. We have 4 operation mode in automatic, in manual mode, and 4 in automatic. So, for example, you can manual add user triggering button, the sound inside the chain of effects, or in automatic mode is the same, but the machine recognizes automatically the signal input and put the sound inside the chain of effects. You know, it's possible to use manual change for cutting out a part of the loop you create and putting inside a new part. This is creating like something like putting inside a new sound or silent, for example. You know, for to create. I want to show you. I'm playing a long note of bass and nothing inside my machine. Then I play. I'm triggering just when I want and putting inside the machine just a part of this loop. You know. Now I'm adding a new sound. Yes. Okay. And now I will change this sound putting inside with another note or another sample, for example, you know. I'm putting inside another one. Now I can add a new bass. Okay. So, talk over mode. We find a talk over mode that we can go down the volume when we press the trigger button, and we can play another instrument, and then we can go back with our loop. For add a fractionated function, we are able to add a really fractionated part of sound. You can set the in 1/4, for example, and we can put inside something like that. Exactly 1/4 inside the machine. Yes, the same user mode you can use in automatic mode. Just the difference is just the machine recognize automatically the signal input and put inside the. For example, for talk over mode in automatically, when I don't press trigger, my machine has recognized the sound inside, and then we come back with the loop. You know. A reminder. We are able to save and recall our presets setup, and then another really important thing that we have on the rear. two two foot switch input, MIDI in, MIDI through, and MIDI out for sync. USB MIDI into a USB plug-in. So 2 line input and 4 line output. 4 line output because the reminder can work in quadrophonic. So it's really important because we can set, for example, we can assign on the machine in output assign setting, we can decide to assign on the 3 and 4 output ports, for example, just reverb sound or just DPD, double pulse delay repetition. So this is a really amazing and exciting thing because you can create a great atmosphere quadrophonic. You know, sound come turning around you, and the effects come from the back, the come from the front speakers. So the atmosphere you can create by Reminder is really amazing and exciting.